Pop boots.
Hindi, food to food.
Ano pala yung...
Oy! Oy! Wag ako!
Yo, come was.
Masikip to. Huwag dito.
Walang DA kalaban ah.
Hindi, actually, medyo mas okay pag masikip sa atin. Pure ano tayo eh. Ano tayo kahit
Yeah.
tayo.
It's derivative. Derivative.
Mas masikip,
Yo,
mas
come
madali
here.
tayo makapag...
Uy,
Ay, Pronub. Nakikita ko na yung Pronub.
yung bag ni Gemma, walang kwenta.
Nakuha ko lang yan sa ano, kalaban.
Bakit Pronub Southwest? May
Which
tingin
other?
ako.
Then it's Scott. Listen, hold him up. Hold him. Ano das?
Gagi, giba yung
Yun na
pag mo.
gagana.
Okay.
Kamay, di nga akin yan.
Come here,
Ay,
come
yung
here,
sa
come
kalaban, sinuot ko lang
Come down,
kanina kasi
come
yung
down.
ano ko.
Ha?
Overweight.
Kamsat.
Sabihan ko kaya, engage yan si Daddy B.
Okay.
Kamsat mo na to. oh.
Kamsat.
Maganda pa rin
Kamsat,
ba
kamsat,
ngayon,
kamsat,
Internal?
kamsat, kamsat.
Gusto ko yung
Hindi na
muna nila.
talaga.
Basta isang piraso lang.
You have pressure, you have clap, okay? Listen, you kamsat.
So, hindi na siya nag-i-stack?
AOE na blood letter.
Kamsat, just walk out.
Baho naman. Ba't nila iniba? Ano yung kataritaduan yan?
Namatay si Gabo kay Arana.
Come west. Just walk west.
Ano daw, hindi pa ulit-ulit yung meta.
Kahit na, no?
Down ka nga sa gitna natin,
Malaking
Daddy B.
tulong yun sa ano eh. Ano yung
Hold
lalagay
on,
nila
hold
sa
on.
meta eh. Wala namang kwenta yung mga yun ng ano. Hacks lang
Listen,
naman na
yeah,
maganda.
this time, sometimes you're gonna be engaging on my W. May.
Sige, matawa sa'yo ba yan, ha? Tangin na diniba. Ni Medyo.
Listen, you come out.
Ayun yung mapa-OC.
Double OC na ako. Double OC na kayo.
Double OC na ako.
Hug the wall,
Sinungaling din ako.
You hug the walls.
Hug the wallies.
Ano yung ba't nag-random E?
Yeah, just hold the mapping. Yeah, listen, come back. Listen. You gotta try to commit on the choke. Listen. No, tapos in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this fucking guy. Tapos, listen, come back now. Listen, hold him up. Don't go in. Listen, kiss the bus. Listen, you walk side, tapos, okay? Walk north, in 5, south, in 4, 3, 2, 1, tapos na. This guy. Listen, you walk south. You walk north, actually, no, north, walk north. Just walk north. Guide those on the choke. Keep walking. Heal. Yo, just reOC. Hold the mapping. Listen, engage my W, okay? Engage my W. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage my W. Listen, you come back now. Yo, body against the side. We kite north. Demons. Listen, you walk out a bit, don't overcommit, okay? You walk out, hold me now, you hold me now, put against the side, no W in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no W now,
Uy!
wow. Come back.
Oh my God.
Full kite, 30s. It's fail.
My bad ako yun.
Come back, Sabix. We get a full reset.
Sabi ko na hila yun eh.
Full
Okay lang
reset.
yun, okay lang yun. Ano naman yun eh, may brawler naman kasi kanina eh.
Man, that was a waste of engagement. Listen, come on.
Waste pa rin talaga yun. Kahit na ano sabihin.
Yeah.
Come on.
Eh,
Listen, engage
ano
my
eh,
W.
healer nandun eh.
Engage my E, okay?
Kanyari dun.
Engage
Tsaka sa side kasi siya nag-heal eh.
Listen, walk out.
Kaya nandun din si
Walks out.
side naman talaga lagi nag-ano.
Walks out.
Healer.
Walks outside. Hug the walls out. Listen, engage my E, okay? Engage my E only. Listen, you kite southeast. You kite southeast for now. Don't commit. Ready? Demons out. What about in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What about now? Let's fucking DPS. Yo, listen. Kite west. Southwest. The demons here. Demons crisis now. Border against the side. So kite. Yo, the border against the side. Listen, you walk north. northwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You west side, shallow. Listen, you kite west, you kite east, 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 come northeast. You kite northeast, hold him in a choke. Let the demons out, demons out. Listen, you walk. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the big choke. Listen. Where's my DPS? You kite north again. You kite northeast again. Go against the side. We kite northeast. Go against the side. We kite northeast. As we kite northeast. The demons inside. And go against the side. Demons in ears. Listen, go against the side. Walks out. On top in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outside now. Get the DPS. Nice shit. You walk past. West!
Saan yung west?
Fucking W West, man!
North. Hindi west, north.
Walk west. You're fucking delaying our rotation, man. Listen, come south now. Come south. Just walk south.
Advance yung inaano niya, yung west ng
Walk south.
wall yung
We're gonna
inaano
catch him soon. Listen, walk south.
Parang nasa isip niya.
Walk south. We're there now. Listen. Come west. Come inside. Yo, listen. We're gonna fall into this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage this guy. Come west.
Nawala na yata eh.
Sa may baba.
Hindi, may fight tatas eh.
Dude, we literally played them inside the fucking choke, man. They get baited 3 times.
Wala
How
naman
the
ang
fuck we
patay.
can fight them? Holy shit. Actually, 2 times. Listen, come south.
Nag-mount na yata yun ah. Nag-mount ba?
South. Yeah. Just walk south on me. Walk south on me.
Fixed fight to eh.
Walk south on me. Come south. Just keep walking. Gotcha. Listen, engage in my W. Walk. J now, give me J now. Listen, engage in my W. Listen. Hold on, get the defense. Listen, the demons. Walk on me. Double in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Tabas. Nice shit. Keep walking east now. Keep walking east. Southeast side. Hold him in the southeast side. Listen, border against the side. Engage my W again. Listen, hold down. Come southeast. To pull your rest. Yo, listen, come southeast. Nice guys. Demons was in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. Listen. Come in. Yo, listen. Actually, come south. We're gonna rotate a bit. Come south.
Napakahirap.
Come south. Walk south.
Hindi ko talaga malaman yung engage niya.
Walk south. Boys, so forget to pop your potions, man. Listen, walk south.
Tinagalan ba itong ano? Yung cooldown sa Infernal?
Walk west. Come west.
Yung bawas na yung ano lang.
Ah, kala ko yung PD din. Medyo matagal.
Wala akong potion.
Yeah, come south. Engage this guy in 3, 2, 1. Engage in this guy. Full engage in this guy. And you come. Kill a guy and come. Kill this guy. Come. Yeah, come. Just finish the guy. Yo, come. Walk me. Listen. Yo, play offensive in the side. Just play offensive in the side. Just keep walking. Listen. Play offensive now. My death packs, you need to stop them, okay? Listen, just walk. Just keep walking. Just keep walking east. Keep walking east now. Yeah, got you. Just keep walking. Kiss the bus. Just keep walking. Listen. J now. Hold him in the choke. Notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice now. Fully get your taste. Listen, just keep walking east. Just keep walking east. Just keep walking east. They gotta turn. Listen, Demons, just walk into them. Listen, we're gonna watch up them soon. Play fast now. Full CC, this guy. Listen, on the west side, okay, on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shot to side on me, one shot now. No, keep walking northeast, Just keep walking northeast. Keep walking northeast, don't stay, keep walking northeast. Defense, nice defense. Listen, kill against the side. Come northeast, come inside. Keep walking east. Southeast by the bridge. Southeast by the water bridge. Finish the guys inside. Now keep walking. If you can't see me, mount up. Listen, comes out now. If you can't see me, mount up. Walks out. Just walks out. Listen, can someone give me a fucking food? Like any? I need local done food. Listen, walks out to me. Do you have any foods? Anything? Bas omelette plain
Kalaban pa ba?
or something?
11 minutes na lang yung OC ko.
Wala, just keep walking.
Gago
namatay sa pag-yugal.
Wala na yung OC ko.
Listen, kay walk.
Sobrang hindi ko maintindihan.
Ang gulong ng fight pa.
Go north. Engage west. Buti na lang may W ako.
Yeah, we're just clearing the fucking...
Ayun na sila.
Yo, come here. Yo, just engage with my W, okay? Just engage with my...
Gago.
Holy shit, come back. Just come back.
Oh.
Come back. Hold on me.
Ayun sila.
Yeah. Boys, listen, if I say engage with my W, you need to engage with my W. Listen, get you. Hold on, my ping. What's up, baby? Hold on.
Kupal to siya, no?
Listen, come sa this.
Nag-uunahan.
Thank you.
One screen away sa'yo, Wes.
West side, okay, got you. Listen, come to us. We're gonna take the fight by the road.
Ang inang fight to,
Listen,
umabot
don't engage
ng
with my
16
E,
minutes.
okay? Don't engage with my E. Listen, you come north, come side. Don't go south. Come here. You know, be careful on the waypoint.
Di pa nag-OC si Wes.
Dun. Hold my ping. Just keep walking northeast. Listen, if you see infinity blade, okay? 60 minutes, just walk for now. Walk for now. Yo, Ryosi.
Wala na.
Yo, listen, engage my E again. Engage my W. Hold. Listen, come back. Full come back. Read the demons, okay? Read the demons now. Yo, listen, west side again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South to side. Which is the top. Then you walk north. Walk north.
Layo ko.
Just kite north in hill up. Listen, engage my E, okay? Engage my E. Hill up. Yes, you can just the whistle. Listen, walk.
Asa na kayo?
Walk. Okay, come satis.
Ang tipid natin.
Ay, ako.
Yeah, boys, Papoy Bird Satis in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Papoy Bird Satis.
Ano ba itong color
Matap.
Di nag-food tsaka OC.
Matap.
Putang ina, si Arana pa yung nakapatay sa akin. Putang ina.
Kailangan natin na ang
Daddy
tagal
Bivas
ng
patay,
fight
Arana.
masyado.
Yo,
Dapat
guys, stay away
kayo
from the
patatapos
blob when comes out.
Sabihan nyo nga, si Wes.
Mauwi na.
Tsaka OC.
Putang ina, kakaano ko lang, kakarating ko lang. Putang ina naman.
Ano ba?
Yeah, just zone in. Wait. GG boys. We take the win. I'm so.
No, hindi.
If you have